My name's Bryce. I work for Weedtechnics in Melbourne, which is a weed steaming business where we kill weeds with hot water. So we mainly work in parks and playgrounds and water sensitive areas where chemicals aren't or shouldn't be used as much. I think they should definitely look at steam weeding as a good option, as it's just as effective, if not more effective. And we kill the weeds with a superheated water, which we call Satusteam, and it's at 120 degrees at past boiling point, and it's a mixture of hot water and steam, which boils the weeds. It's good keeping chemicals away from kids and people in parks and the environment, and it's good for the earth. Instead of more chemicals, I think less chemicals the better. So I was doing landscaping previously to this, which was a lot more labour intensive and physical on the body. Doing this job, it's a lot less physical and a lot easier. And yeah, I'm not wrecked after a day's work. I've got some advice for young people if they want to work outside and get an outdoor job. Weed steaming is a great job if you want to work outside, and it's not too difficult. You get to go to lots of different places and work in lots of different parks and areas that are nice, and it's good fun.